I'm going to show you how to sell digital downloads using the link in your Instagram bio, like ebooks, worksheets, PDF files, and so much more. So if you want to know how to sell digital products on social media for free without a website, then keep watching. If you're new here, my name is Sandra, and I talk about creating and selling digital products online. So if you are currently building a digital product business like I am, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified when I post a new video every week. Whether you already have digital files that you want to sell, or you're just starting to plan what digital products to create, you're probably thinking, where should I sell them? I've been selling my digital downloads on Instagram, and I absolutely love it because it's free and it's super easy to set up. You've probably already noticed that Instagram only allows you to share one link in your bio, which can get super frustrating when you are a creator that wants to sell multiple products and share other social links. That's where the free link in bio platform and app store Koji comes in. This is the best link in bio for selling digital products because there are literally hundreds of ways to monetize. So if you click on the link in my Instagram bio, it will lead you to my Koji account, which looks like this. You can customize this with different colors, different images, really have fun with it when you create your own account. I just decided to keep mine super basic for now, but you can see I sell a few different digital products. This is a digital workbook. This is a few digital files. Don't worry, I'll walk you through all of these. I also have a few free products in order to grow my email list, and I include other social links. At any time, you can click at the top right corner here to view your Koji wallet, just to see how much you have accumulated, and you can cash out at any time. The link to create your own Koji account is in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and sign up and follow along. So to create your account, just click on Get Started and follow the prompts. Once you've signed in, go to View App Store. Like I mentioned, there are literally hundreds of ways that you can monetize, so I'm gonna go over a few of the ones that I use. The first one I want to show you is how to sell ebooks and PDF files. For any of these apps, you can scroll down and just read what it's all about, and you can also preview what it's going to look like. So I'll go over this with you and then I will show you my example. You can see that you will need a cover photo just to show what the digital product is. You'll put in the title of your digital product, a description so that your customers know what they're getting, and then you can include a file here to sort of preview what they're getting, which I will show you my example. And then finally, you would set the price in order for them to unlock it. So if you click on Add, this is where you would upload all your information. So this is where you can put a photo or a video, fill in your title here and your description, and then set the price of the digital product. My digital workbook is $15, so you can set your price however you want. And then if you go to ebook files, you would put the name of the ebook file. I just use the same name as the title. You can upload a preview image and then add your ebook file right here. So let me show you what mine looks like. My digital workbook is right here. So if I click on it, this is my cover photo. I created this in Canva, so you can get mock-ups from Canva or places like Creative Market, Shutterstock, and there's so many options. And I also have Canva tutorials if you wanted to check out the Canva tutorials playlist down below if you wanted to see how it all works. Then I named my workbook right here and I put in a description of what the customer is getting. And then the file I included just shows the sections that are included in this digital workbook. So again, I created this in Canva and I have 8 sections in my digital workbook. So I want the customers to know what the 8 sections are all about. So this is just an idea if you want to upload a preview image. You can see I've set my product to $15, and there's one other thing that I want to show you how to customize. If you look on the left-hand side, I've changed the thumbnail. So I want to show you how you can change the thumbnail and customize it to how you want it to look. You would go to Manage at the top here, go to Apps and Links. These are all the apps and links that I've added into my account. So this is the one I want to show you, the Etsy Digital Product Seller Workbook. If I click on it, this is where I can change the app thumbnail. So again, you can create an image like this using Canva, and you would just click on this pencil icon and click on Upload Image. Under app name, I just decided to grab the Etsy Digital Product Seller Workbook. So I highly recommend this app if you are selling PDF files, ebooks, and digital worksheets, for example. If you're getting value from this video so far, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments what digital downloads you're thinking of selling. Moving on to the next app I use, I want to thank Koji for sponsoring this section of the video. Truly, I love this platform, and I actually deleted my website because I just transferred all my digital products to Koji and started selling on social media. So I use Name Your Price, which is right here, and it's also for downloadable files. What I love about Name Your Price is you would upload digital files and your customers can choose how much they want to pay. The reason I like this is because it's kind of like a tip jar where they are thanking you for your content, but you are also thanking them in return by giving them files for contributing to your brand. So I'm going to show you the preview, and once again, we will go through my example right after. It's similar to the other app where you do need to upload a cover photo, put in a title, a description, and you can see that the minimum price is $1. So they will need to pay a minimum of $1 in order to unlock the files. I've had different amounts come in. I've had $1, $5, $20, it just depends. And more people tend to participate in this because they get to choose how much they want to put in. So let me show you mine. I actually changed the title of mine. You can see I've put in buy me a coffee and receive 5 gifts. And my thumbnail is a graphic of a coffee cup. I got this from Creative Market. And again, if you want to change the thumbnail and the title here, you would just go to manage and go to apps and links. So if I click on this, this is the image I created in Canva. So I just put leave any tip amount if you love my content and receive 5 gifts in a zipped folder. So that's the thing about this app. It has to be in a zipped folder. You can choose how many files you put in. I put 5. You can put in 1, 2, or 3 files and upload the zip folder for the customer to receive. So I list out all 5 files that they would be getting, and I just put a thank you with a heart at the bottom. And right here, I just reiterate, buy me a coffee and receive 5 gifts. And then I put in a description right here with what the 5 files are. And you can see right here, it says name your price, and they would have to put in at least $1 in order to unlock these files. The other option that's similar to the Name Your Price app is the tip jar. So you can add a tip jar to your account. So if you're a content creator, this is a great way for your audience to thank you for your content and the value you share. So if you preview it, this of course can be customized, but this is basically what it looks like. If you like my content, let me know. So if someone were to tip you, let's say $5, they can leave you a note just saying, thank you for your content. They would send the tip and that would be added to your Koji wallet. So if you were to click on add, it's very simple and straightforward. You can put in a title like tip jar, or you can make it a little fun and put in buy me a coffee or buy me a tea, for example. And you can customize the thank you message that the person will receive after they have tipped. This is also where you can upload the cover photo. Another one I personally have just added is sell a service. So if you offer any digital service, let's say for example, you are a graphic designer and you offer logos, business cards, and brand kits, this would be a great way for you to monetize. So if you look under the preview, the example they give here is an influencer that charges for their content. So you would put in a cover photo, a title, and a description of what you do. And the example here is how much this influencer would charge for Instagram stories and Instagram posts. So maybe you offer logos and you charge, let's say $200. So you would put in logo design, $200 for example, and a description of what you would offer. So maybe how many revisions. Then maybe you offer a package of a logo and a business card. So you would put the price there. And maybe you offer a design of just a business card. So maybe that could be another option, for example. The one I just added is a 60-minute one-on-one coaching session for anyone that's starting a digital product business. So this is what mine looks like, just to give you an idea. I've added a photo of myself, the title of what it is, and a description of what they would be getting. Now, if you are into affiliate marketing, which I am, you can use affiliate links. This app is great because you can actually include multiple products that you are promoting. So in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically promoting other products and services that you recommend or that you're using. And when your audience clicks on your link and purchases the product, you get a cut of that sale. So this is giving you an example of how you can promote multiple products. It's showing an iPad, a camera, a ring light, and all of these links can be included in the one app. So I could go on forever on how many apps you can use, but I will show you one last one and you can go through these and see which ones you want to add. The other one I really like is Ask Me Anything. So if you are an expert or a coach in a very specific topic and you are constantly getting asked questions on your expertise, you can now monetize your knowledge with this app. So you can choose how much you charge per question. Let's say you put in $5 or $10, and when someone submits a question, you have 7 days to respond with a video. The fact that it's a video response is a great way for you to connect with your audience on a more intimate and authentic level. Once again, for any of these apps, if you want to know exactly how they work, you can just scroll down and read what they're all about to get more information. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Remember to create your own free Koji account using the link in the description box down below. I read that there are currently 150,000 creators using Koji, with some closing over $20,000 in sale within their first 90 90 days. So it's definitely worth exploring. I absolutely love Koji and I'm already seeing incredible results from it. You can head over to this video next if you need some digital product ideas to add to your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified when I post a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.